Alright, so we're working on a 2015 GMC Terrain 2.4 liter ecotech engine. Alright, so this is the crankshaft sensor. This is the new one I've just put in. That's a 8mm bolt that's on top of there. Let's do that. Snap this back together. There we go. God, this thing ain't want to work. There we go. Make sure your red tab's pushed in there. Alright, so that's good. So that was up under the starter. All the other videos you'll see has you taking all this bull crap off the top of the motor, and that don't even get you there. So all you do is undo your two 15mm bolts to your starter, undo your wire to your ground, take starter out, then you got your camshaft position sensor right there, or your crankshaft position sensor, not camshaft, my bad. But alright guys, that's all y'all do on this. I hope this video helps out because all the other videos I found were complete shit. Y'all have a great day.